morning, guys. I'm making moi moi this morning, and I peeled my beans earlier, and now I'm just gonna clean my leaves. I'm boiling some eggs for the moi moi. And then I'll blend and make the moi moi. I'm a bit late. I woke up late, but I really wanted to eat this, and even though it takes time, I'm just going to get to it. I'm wearing a posture corrector, and I'll probably take this off soon. But I noticed that my posture has been a bit messed up. I also went to get like a massage, and then they mentioned it to me. So I'm trying to correct my posture, and I ordered this from Amazon. So far, I don't know if it's making any difference or if it's working. So that's the same thing some people thought initially, that it wasn't working, didn't seem to be making a difference. But over time, they said it helped. They say not to wear it for more than 20 minutes at once, so I'll take this off soon. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So it looks like this, and the idea is that it keeps your back upright and then prevents you from slouching. And I've been trying to make sure that my back is upright even when I'm not wearing this. But anyways, back to moi moi and cooking. I'm tired, and I think the ones I've cleaned should be enough. So I'm just going to use those ones and then leave the rest. Usually when I buy new leaves, I just clean the whole batch. These ones have been cleaned before. They're like ones I've used before from a previous batch of moi moi. And I'm just going to rinse the leaves with water. Mind you, on the sponge I was essentially just using like sponge and water. There was no soap there. And now I'm just rinsing to get rid of the dirt. Some of it has come out already. And then the next thing you want to do is to take out the stalk, which I'll show as well for anyone that is interested. So these leaves are much bigger than the ones I had at home, which is good because sometimes when the leaves are small, you have to double up like a decent size. Moi moi, moi moi. That's the water. Out. So as I remove the stalk, I'll just put it in the pot. So this is how I remove it. I break off from like here. remove this and put it in the pot. Sometimes it doesn't come off in one piece, and then you just do that again. And the essence of breaking this stalk is so that when you put your moi moi inside, it won't break. It makes the leaf more flexible for you to bend and wrap. I'm just gonna do this for all the new leaves. Put the stalk in there as the base of my pot. Then I go for leaves that turn like this, and then put that at the bottom of the pot as well. So I have the beans, onions, bell pepper, one bell pepper, and scotch bonnet peppers. And I usually just add everything I want to add and then blend. So I have some fish stock here. And I'm just gonna put that in. Put some of it in. So this is mackerel. I boiled some mackerel, and then this is the stock. I'm just adding that in. And I think that's fine. And then this is my first time using extra virgin olive oil. Usually I use just like sunflower oil, but I'm trying to be healthier with my oil choices. So extra virgin olive oil it is. And then I'm going in with my salt, eyeballing it, and then my seasoning cubes. I'll go in with one at first. Maybe one and chinkini, like so. It's time to blend. So I sorted my leaves. These are the big ones. Those are the small ones. I have my fish and eggs here. I garnish. And this is the moi moi. Blended with all the seasoning, peppers, onions, and oil inside. And part of the reason why I blend is so that I don't have to mix and mix and mix and mix to blend, to mix the oil with the beans. Blending it just helps me that everything goes in one piece. And so this is a big leaf. This is how I wrap my moi moi. So I start like this. I go this way and then do that. So you want a cone like so, and then I just close the back, and that's it. I pour my mix inside. You pour as much as you want. I usually use this measuring cup. And then I add some egg and some fish. And then I pour some more to just cover the egg and fish. So this is how I close it. I pinch here. I pinch here, I pinch here, and that's it. It's not pouring, it's not pouring. So that's how you seal it so that it doesn't spill. And I gently place that in my pot. Now let me use a small leaf to show what I do. So these ones are not like very small. So if I had small leaves, so these ones are small compared to like this large one and this small one. So you see that these ones are smaller. So if I had small leaves, I would double them up like so, and then go one, two, and then bend it. Sometimes you have that one comes out. I just try to tidy it up. Bend it and then pour your mix inside. The egg, some fish, some more, just because I like to seal it up. So to close it, it's the same way. I pinch here, and I take it to the back. And that's it. No spill, no spill, no spill. But sometimes when the water starts to get hot and I'm trying to drop it, I sort of move the pot, and sometimes I have spills. But otherwise, my Moin Moin wrapping is spill free. And I learned this from my uncle's wife in Ibadan. My mom doesn't wrap Moin Moin like this. The way she wraps, sometimes you have spillage. But I guess the people I grew up, well, not grew up with, the people I lived with in Ibadan for a bit, they're like, nah, no Moin Moin is wasting. I remember the first time I went to their house and they told me to wrap Moin Moin, and I was doing it. My mom started like, no. Oh my dad, like it's gonna pour. So that's how I learned this method, and it's waste free. So sometimes I make that kind of mess which has nothing to do with spillage. It's just me being clumsy. And then egg, fish, some more Moin Moin, and then 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 folds and you're done. That's it. I'm gonna do the rest of camera and then show you how I cover it to cook. So this one, the Moin Moin leaf has some holes. Oops. The Moin Moin leaf has some holes in itself, and ideally this is one that I could have doubled, but that's okay. And then squeeze it. I'm just gonna put this one here. Now that everything is in there, I go with some small leaves. Just gonna add some water, adding some water to the sides. And then I go in with small leaves. Usually I go in with like the leaves that look scrunchy, not good enough to wrap. And I use them, something like this now, because it's turn, so this is what I kind of use to wrap it. And my pot covers here, cover, and let it cook for about 35 to 40 minutes, and it's done. And I'm just gonna eat the remaining fish because I can't for myself.
You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy.
And it takes time now. You peel beans, leave, wash, leave, boil egg. I felt like eating it. I've been feeling like eating it since my mom was here.
Put it on me, baby, it's take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy.
I just wanted like a list. Aerobic exercise, number 1, walking. Number 2, this. I use my ninja. Use this one.
Put it on me. Baby.
I'm about to make you have to open it from 2 sides.
Of course.
But take your stuff back.
So that's kind of what I wanted. But what they were saying, aerobic exercise that they said the test is talk. That if you can't talk, if you can talk but you can't sing, that's aerobic. Anaerobic is like you can't talk, you can't sing at all. So everything is fast. But I'm just like, they not say examples, walking, kiniko. What I wanted to know was what category Zumba is. In some places I saw some people say Zumba is aerobic. But going by the talk test, sometimes I can talk but I can't be singing, you know. I say, oh, some people talk in Zumba. But I just wanted like a list, you get what I mean? Which is tea tree.
What is it?
Okay. That's good, my dear. I said that's good, my dear.
Baby, it's you. It's you. It's you. It's you.
Breakfast is served. Well, brunch, because it's past 12 already, so it's not really breakfast.